Here I've got LGG free, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down, find and select accessibility, and now you have to go down where you will notice screen timeout. Simply click on it, and now you can select the option that you like most, so you can pick 15 or 30 seconds, then 1 to 5, 10 or even 15 minutes, or you can even pick keep screen turned on, and I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, and that's it. As you can see now, the screen timeout is changed. You can also access this function through the upper bar. Simply slide it down to open the functions, locate screen timeout. Here it is. So just by clicking you can change it. As you can see now it's 15 minutes, 30 seconds, 5 minutes. Just by clicking you can change it. So that's basically all. That's how you can change screen timeout in your LGG free. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.